welcome to At Home with Rose Emily. Hope all of you guys are super good today. You're doing well and are excited because today we're going to be making flan and vanilla flan especially. It's so good and quick. Let me tell you that my family, we ate this in one day. We didn't even have leftovers for the next day. And it's super good and quick to make as well. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started with this delicious vanilla flan. This delicious flan, we're first going to melt 2 cups of sugar until it turns caramel liquefied into a delicious caramel brown color at medium heat. Here it is, our delicious caramel. It is hot. We're going to pour it on top of our baking dish. And now we're going to evenly distribute around the dish, moving it around, making sure all the sides of the dish are covered in the caramel. And now this delicious flan is basically a custard dessert with caramel top. So good and quick. We're going to set that aside, and in our blender we're going to add 1.5 cans of evaporated milk, a 12-ounce can, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're going to add 1 can of sweet condensed milk, 4 whole eggs, and we're going to blend away. Cover it up, blend, and that's it. And for this dish, we do need to bake it in a water bath. So in a bigger baking dish, I added water. And now I'm going to add my baking dish where we're going to be making the flan on top of it, because this is what's going to help evenly bake our flan. Now we're going to add the egg mixture on top of the caramel. And guys, basically that is it. All we need to do is bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. And then the delicious vanilla flan is done, as you can see. Look how good. Now, the perfect way for you to find out if the flan is done and evenly cooked, just place a clean knife in the middle. And if it comes out clean, we're done. And now what I'm doing with the same knife is basically making sure that the flan is not stuck to the baking dish, as you can see, because we are going to flip this over. To confess, my husband helped me flip this over because I'm always like anxious every time I'm flipping the flan. Put a bigger plate on top of the flan, you flip it over, and there you have the caramel sauce on top. Now our flan is done and ready to enjoy. I'm going to cut it up so you guys can see how easy and delicious this custard vanilla flan is. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this traditional vanilla flan, and I'll see you on my next video.